Hello everyone, I am Fatum Miss and this is Suna Miss and we are from Sharafuddin School. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing good. Our topic for the day is mass. It is a very interesting topic. Are you all ready? Let's begin. Students, do you know what I have found when I was cleaning my room today? I have found a ball, a laptop, balloon and some other items that are going to be kept in my storeroom. Before I keep these all, I want to see how heavy these items are. This laptop, oh, this is so heavy. But this balloon is lighter. Also, I got a hammer which is little heavy. A flower which is light. Sponge that is also light. And a book. Oh, this is little bit heavy. But this is lighter than the laptop. Laptop is heavier than the book. And let's see. This ball is lighter than the laptop. And also I got a mug. Mug is little heavier than the balloon. Yes. So for today's lesson, we are going to learn how heavy or light some objects are. Today's lesson, there are some keywords that you will be learning. Those keywords are heavy, light, heavier than, and lighter than. Can you repeat it with me? Heavy, light, heavier than, lighter than. Yes, students, in today's lesson you will be using these keywords for the coming activities.
Our learning intention for the day. Today we are going to learn to describe objects in terms of their weight using everyday language. Determines the weight of an object as heavier than or lighter than another object by hefting. Determines which of two objects is heavier or lighter by using an equal arm balance. We will be successful if we can describe objects in terms of their weight using everyday language. Determines the weight of an object as heavier than or lighter than another object by hefting, and determines which of two objects is heavier or lighter by using an equal arm balance. Students, we will be measuring these objects using our hands. For this activity, you can get a paper and a pencil and draw two columns like this. In one column, you can write heavy and the other one you can write light. The first pair of objects I have is a book and a flower. What do you think? Which one is lighter? On your paper, you can draw or write the objects which is lighter. What do you think? Yes, it's the flower. The flower is lighter than the book. The flower is lighter than the book. Next I have a watch and a feather. What do you think, students? Which one will be heavy? Yes, it's the watch. The watch is heavier than the feather. The watch is heavier than the feather. The next pair I have is a scissor and a leaf. What do you think? Which one is light? Yes, I can feel lighter the leaf. It feels lighter on my hand. So the leaf is lighter than the scissor. The leaf feels lighter and the scissor feels heavy. Next, I have a bowl and a mug. What do you think? Which one will be heavier now? Yes, it's the mug. The mug feels heavier than the bowl on my hand. Now, the mug is heavy and the ball is light. Next, I have a soft toy and a balloon. Students, what do you think? Which one will be heavy? Yes, it's the soft toy. The soft toy feels heavy on my hand than the balloon. The soft toy feels heavy and the balloon feels light. Next, I have a paper and a phone. What do you think, students? Which one will be lighter? Yes, it's the paper. The paper is lighter and the phone is heavy. The paper feels light on my hand and the phone feels heavy. Next, I have a small sanitizer bottle and a hammer. What do you think? Which one is heavier? Yes, it's the hammer. The hammer is heavier than this small sanitizer bottle. The hammer feels heavy and the sanitizer bottle feels light. So, did you all complete the activity? That was fun, right? Now, let's move on the next part of the activity.
Students, did you enjoy the last activity? For the last activity, we have just estimated some objects to see whether it's heavy or light. Now we are going to weigh the objects and see whether the answers you got are correct or not. Let's check. First, you have checked a book and a flower. We are going to put a flower and a book in the balancer and see which one is heavier. Which one is heavier? Yes, students, you are correct. The book is heavier than the flower. Second one is watch and the feather. We are going to put the watch and the feather in the balancer and see which one. Yes, it's the watch which is heavier than the feather. Third one is the scissor and the leaf. Let's see which one is lighter. Which one is lighter, students? Yes, it's the leaf which is lighter than the scissor. Now we are going to check the mug and the ball. Let's put it. And now the mug. Which one is heavy? Yes, mug is heavier than the ball. Is your answer correct? Yes, your answer was correct. Now, next is the soft toy and the balloon. We are going to put the balloon and the soft toy. Oh, it's the soft toy. It is heavier. Have you guessed it correct? Yes, you have guessed it correct. Soft toy is heavier than the balloon. And the next one is phone and paper. Let's put the phone and the paper. Which one is lighter? Yes, paper is lighter than the phone, and you have guessed it correctly. Last one is the hammer and a sanitizer bottle. Let's see which one is heavy. We're going to put the sanitizer bottle and the hammer. Oh, hammer is heavier than the sanitizer bottle. Did you guess it correct? Yes, you have guessed it correctly. So this is the end of this activity, and we are going to move on the next activity.
Can you see this box? In this box there are some questions, and the answers of these questions are here on the floor. I will take a question and read it. You will see these questions on the screen, and then I will have to jump and read the correct answer. Will you all help me? Let's start. Which object is lighter, a flower or a tree? What do you think, students? Let's see. So, students, am I correct? Yes, the flower is lighter than the tree. What is the heavier animal, elephant or rabbit? What do you think, students? Let's see. The elephant is heavier than the rabbit. Correct. So our next question is, which object can you carry easily, a flower or a laptop? So what do you think, students? Students, the flower will be lighter than the laptop, so flower will be easier to carry, right? Now I have to jump on the paper that has the lightest object. Oh, what do you think it will be? Let's see. Yes, the feather is the lightest. Very good, students. Which two objects are very heavy? Yes, students, the truck and the elephant are the heaviest. So, the next question is, from all these, which two objects are very light? Yes, students, your answers are correct. The flower and the feather are the lightest. Which object will be difficult to carry, a laptop or a flower? What do you think, students? Yes, students, very good. The laptop is heavier. Wow, that was fun, right? I hope you all enjoyed this activity. Students, now let's do a breathing activity. Are you all ready? Let's start. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Hold the breath and exhale. Again hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Did you do it? You like it, right?
Now we have moved for the last activity of the day. In this activity, I am going to read a statement from the box and you are going to say whether it's correct or wrong. If the statement is correct, you are going to tap your head, and if the statement is wrong, you are going to clap 3 times. Shall we do the activity? Our first card says, a pillow is heavier than a bed. A pillow is heavier than a bed. Is this correct or wrong? If it is correct, you are going to tap your heads 3 times, and if it is wrong, you are going to clap your hands. Let's do. A pillow is heavier than a bed. The statement is wrong, so we are going to clap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now, second one. A ruler is heavier than an elephant. A ruler is heavier than an elephant. Is this correct or wrong? Yes, this is wrong. So, let's clap again. 1, 2, 3. Third one says, cars are heavy. Yes, cars are heavy. So it's correct. Now you are going to tap your heads. 1, 2, 3. Next, it says cotton balls are very heavy. Did you ever try this? Yes. I don't think it is heavy. Do you think? No. So it's a wrong statement. So we are going to clap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now it says a pencil is lighter than a shoe. Is this correct or wrong? Yes, this is correct. A pencil is lighter than a shoe. So you are going to tap your heads. 1, 2, 3. The next statement says a bag of feathers will be lighter than a bag of watermelon. Did you know that watermelons and feathers, which one will be lighter? Yes, feathers will be lighter than watermelon. So this statement is correct. What are you going to do? Yes, tap your heads. 1, 2, 3. A truck is very light. Do you think it is correct or wrong? Yes, students, this statement is wrong. So you are going to clap your hands. 1, 2, 3. An elephant is heavier than a cat. Is this true or false? Yes, this is true. Elephants are heavier than cats. So we are going to tap our heads. 1, 2, 3. The last one, it says feathers are light. Yes, feathers are light. So the statement is correct. So let's tap our heads. 1, 2, 3. Okay, students.
Now, do you like songs? Yes, I know you all like to sing songs. Now, we are going to sing songs. Let's sing the Incy Wincy Spider. Okay, let's sing. Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So, Incy Wincy Spider went up the water again. Now, which song would you like? Here's Twinkle Twinkle. Let's sing it. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Students, now which song? Let's sing Row, Row, Row Your Boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Students, don't forget to clean your hands, wear your masks, and always stay at least 3 feet apart.